back, man. I'm back, man, at the Desert Oasis Rum. Hey everyone, today I have the great honor of returning to one of the greatest home tiki bar builds I've ever seen, the Desert Oasis Room in California. This place was built and maintained by tiki super expert, Adrian Eustaquio. This place is so cool. It was even featured in the recently released book, Tropical Cocktails by authors Tom Morgan and Kelly Reilly, where they feature a bunch of original recipes that were made for other incredible home tiki bar builds. So in keeping with that theme, today we're gonna make an original recipe from that book, the Hoodoo Hut Cocktail. This cocktail is the house drink for Tom's home bar. The specific blend of Demerara and Jamaican rums in this recipe is meant to resemble the Jamaican Dagger rum blend once sold under Wray and Nephew. This rum apparently was the spirit of choice for serious rum drinkers in the mid-century, including actor-celebrity Robert Mitchum, which contributed to its badass reputation. Many tiki enthusiasts over the years have tried to reverse engineer its exact blend, including cocktail wizards like Jim Hurricane Hayward, Craig Colonel Tiki Herman, and even Smuggler's Cove's Martin Cate. So this recipe leverages all that research to construct the cocktail that we're gonna make here today. So after all that, what's actually in there? Well, you're gonna need fresh lime, Orgeat, allspice dram, and then Demerara, 151 Demerara, and Navy strength Jamaican rum. The intention, according to Tom, is to introduce a little bit of Mai Tai elements in there, but also use that allspice dram to lift the flavor of that intended Dagger blend. All right, let's get started. So first you're gonna need to juice 1 ounce of lime juice. You're gonna use the shell of the lime as a garnish as well, so make sure to keep that after you juice it. 1 ounce of lime juice. Perfect. Keep it around. 1 ounce of Orgeat. In this case, as always, we're using Liquid Alchemist. A bar spoon of Pimento Dram. In this case, we are using Hamilton. That was more than... That was a little more than a bar spoon. Oh well. 1 ounce of Demerara rum. In this case, the recipe actually specifically asks for Eldorado 12. It's because it's awesome. 1 ounce of Navy strength Jamaican rum. It also specifically asks for Smith & Cross. Because it's bat-tastic. And finally, 151 Demerara rum. In this case, we're using Lemon Heart. It's 1/4 ounce, by the way, which is good, because this stuff will kill you.
It would be extremely painful.
All right, it's shaking time. So, this recipe actually calls specifically for crushed ice to be shaken in the shaker, and then we're gonna pour the whole thing in
Dirty ice style.
All right, we're gonna shake it for about 10 to 15 seconds to chill the drink. Also just sounds good. Right. Nice. So this cocktail calls to be served in a lowball glass. Now, as we said, let's just do a dirty dump right in there. Top it off with just a little bit more. Which of course, so now we can seat the garnishes. We're gonna put the spent lime shell, a little bit of slapped mint for some aromatics. Ooh, thick straw in, and there you go. Hoodoo Hut Cocktail. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, the fresh lime juice actually really comes through in this one. And of course the Smith & Cross really comes through with its aromatics, but overall it's a pretty well balanced cocktail. Excellent. An incredible new modern drink that takes a serious stab at a classic, powerful Jamaican blend. It's no wonder this recipe is the house drink of the home bar of such serious tiki enthusiasts. Well, that's the show. Thanks for watching. Thanks again to Adrian Eustaquio for letting us use this incredible home tiki bar. You can check out his channel at Polynesian Pop on YouTube. We'll put a link in the description. And also his great podcast, the Desert Oasis Room podcast. And hey, if you like this episode, consider giving us a like and subscribing so you don't miss out on future tiki adventures and recipes. Until then, cheers. The thing behind the bar is so sticky that the paper just sticks to it. It's perfect. Navel rum. Navel rum. If you squeeze your navel, it comes out. Like, you know, a navel just... Where is the rum? Where is it?
It's a Union lime holder.